Hey guys, it's Tony W. I got myself a new exercise machine. This is a OYO Nova. So this is like a second generation OYO device, and it is a neat exercise machine. The reason why I got this is because it only weighs around 2.5 pounds, but yet has about 40 pounds of resistance that could do many types of exercises with this, and it's super compact too. It runs on these resistant Spiraflex things that basically couple together. Inside there's like a rubber spiral that basically twists, and as you can see, there's like a little net that goes on it, and you basically put these things on top of each other to build your resistance, which is pretty awesome. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this and snap this thing on. I've already used this for about a week. I really do like it. I like the fact that it's relatively compact and it's lightweight, and it's basically a good resistance things. Now it comes with four of these, so the total resistance is 40 pounds. Each of those are 10 pounds each. There's even a thing you could hang on your door, so you could use this against your door or a hanger. And overall, it's pretty compact and stuff. The reason why I got this one again was the handle. I like the new redesign of the rubberized handle. It's much longer. It's easier to grip. It's not some ball instead of like the first generation one. So I really love it. Adding the tension packs or those spiral packs is very easy. You just basically snap it on and basically pancake it. And you can also fold the Nova arm, thing to lock on as well, which is pretty nice. So let's go on with this other thing, the TAC bag. This is not included with it. It's actually extra, but I figured I'd get it anyways because it makes it easy to organize the Nova, and not mention it's good storage for the Nova, and you could put the spiral packs on each side of this. You still have to put two of the spiral packs on it when you put it in. And of course, the good thing about this is that it actually has a strap, so you could have this as a sling around you, and there's a back pocket to put your very large cell phone in, or any other small documents or IDs in the back. So overall, it's a great addition to the OYO Nova. And like I said, put your cell phone, put IDs in the back, or wallet, whatever, and you use this as a strap as well. Now, putting this together, you just snap everything together. I have all 40 of them, and for 40 pounds of resistance is pretty good exercise, which is pretty nice. You can do it on the core muscles or the upper body muscles or leg muscles. As you can see, there's the primary ones in here on the box. It even shows it, but at the same time, I'm gonna probably use it for these main moves. But there's also like 30 other exercises it comes with on basically a poster. So each of the exercises actually has like a little QR code, so you can zap it and take a look at it for some more. But yeah, this is pretty neat. It's a full workout in a tiny 2.5 pound package, which is pretty neat, and it also looks very, very futuristic, which I like as well. But the lightweight, easy to carry, good to travel with. It's actually a pretty good package for an exercise machine or a personal gym. And yeah, it's pretty neat. Anyways, guys, this is Sterling W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.